Sorry, I got a little too excited there. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic. Sorry, that sounded really weird. I was trying to say the word fantastic and fabulous at the same time, and it came out all weird, but that's okay. Hope you guys are having a good day. If so, give yourself a pat on the back. But today's video is still in quarantine. Can't leave the house, so here's another idea for what you can do when you're bored. Make Starbucks drinks at home, which is exactly what I'm gonna do because I can't go out and get Starbucks, so why not do it yourself, you know? Self-reliance, baby. Let's get into the video and see me make these 4 Starbucks drinks. Okay, so the first drink we have is the iced matcha latte. I've actually tried this once at Starbucks and I really didn't like it, and I think that's because I ordered it without any like sweetener or syrup or any type of flavoring, so that's why I probably thought it tasted like, I don't know, grass from outside. But today hopefully mine will taste better than that, so I'm going to attempt to make this matcha latte. There's only one step, so I think I can follow that. So the ingredients we need is hot water, which I have a tablespoon of right here, honey, and then we have the matcha powder and the almond milk. So the first step is to put the matcha powder in here. Then you're supposed to add some honey in, so let's do that. Then you just add 3/4 cup of milk. So about that much. So I'm gonna add some ice to the cup. And now we shall pour. It's a pretty color. Ta-da! Let's taste it. That's actually pretty good. I don't think I stirred the matcha in enough because I can still taste the powder. But other than that, it's pretty good. I think next time I put a little bit more honey in it, but this actually worked. Actually, I think it tastes better than the Starbucks one I tried. 8 out of 10. Good job for this. Okay, the next drink we're gonna be making is an iced chai latte. I always just call it an iced chai, so I kind of forget that it's officially called a chai latte, but I just call it a chai. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I used to drink these at Starbucks so much when I was like 15 because that's before I really got into coffee. For this one, according to the recipe, you need 6 ounces of hot water, which I have here, a little bit of honey, some milk, even though this is not milk, it's almond milk, which isn't even milk, it's like but whatever. And then a tea bag and then a glass full of ice. The first step is to open the tea bag and let it steep. And the reason you don't want to put that much water in, I'm assuming at least, is because you want the chai to be pretty concentrated. Like a shot of espresso, but with chai. So we're just gonna let that sit for a minute. Now that this is steeped, you're supposed to add in a bit of honey for taste. I really don't know why, but I don't want to make up my own recipe because that would be bad. So let's just put in a little bit. We add in the cold milk. Totally looks like the right color, so I hope I'm doing this a little bit correctly. It definitely smells like a chai too, so that's always a good sign as well. Now let's pour. I have to pour slowly. Okay, it's not bad, but it's not as good as Starbucks is. What? It's good, but it's not like spicy, I guess, as most chais. It's very sweet, and I think that's the honey, so I might not put honey in next time if I make this again. But basically, if you're gonna make this, just expect it to be not super spicy if you use this recipe, but I'm thinking like if you put some cinnamon in it or something, then it would taste more like an actual chai. But other than that, it's pretty good. This gets like a solid 7 out of 10. Whoa. Today's drink is not hard. All you need is coffee and milk of your choice and ice. So let's get those ingredients. Milk, ice, coffee. So I didn't even tell you what we're making, but we're making iced coffee with a splash of almond milk. Or if you want to make this, you can put whatever milk or flavoring you want to in it. So there's the coffee. It does taste like Starbucks because we use Starbucks coffee in our coffee maker. But now let's just throw in a splash of almond milk. And ta-da! Starbucks iced coffee with almond milk. Lovely. 10 out of 10. Okay, so for the final drink, I'm gonna do a refresher, and I'm gonna do the orange Valencia, the Valencia orange, whatever that one was called, that I'm pretty sure they don't like even make anymore, but they used to make in like 2015, and the reason why I'm doing this one is because I didn't have any of the ingredients for making any of the other ones. Basically for this, according to the recipe, it's just using orange juice and lemon iced tea, but I didn't have lemon iced tea, so we're going to use this decaf sleepy time tea that has lemon as one of the ingredients. So it's probably not going to taste anything like this, and it'll probably just end up tasting like orange juice, but that's okay. So let's put the tea into the water and let it steep a little bit. Tea is cooled off enough. Basically, you just mix the orange juice and the tea into this. And yes, our orange juice is in this giant container. We transferred it after getting the bottle delivered because we didn't want anything to accidentally be contaminated. You know the story. So you're supposed to fill it halfway with orange juice, and the other half is supposed to be the tea. So here's the orange juice, and now let's pour in the tea. That actually kind of looks pretty cool. So looks wise, it gets like a 10 out of 10 because this looks like a very fancy drink, or at least I think it does. Let's taste it. That's actually really good. I can actually taste both the tea and the orange juice, and it tastes really good together. Wow. So this is really good. This is like a 9.5 out of 10, which is weird because I thought this was gonna be the one that tasted really bad, but it tastes really good. I am pleasantly surprised. If you wanna make the recipe that I just made, use this Sleepy Time Celestial Seasonings tea and just normal orange juice, then you get this nice fruity drink. Wonderful. So that's the end of that video. You know, most of the drinks went pretty well. I recommend doing this at home. If you have more ingredients, look up Starbucks recipes on Pinterest and make some of your own coffee or tea or whatever you want. But yeah, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. And comment down below your favorite Starbucks drink, or comment down below something fun. And subscribe to my channel. I'll see ya soon. Bye.